In this series of interactive lessons, we will introduce the idea of vectors and vector spaces in an easy-to-understand, visual, and interactive manner. As you can see, just looking in front of you, we have a grid, a coordinate grid, in fact. As you can see, we have points on this grid. There's one here at 1, 2, and one at 4, 4. I can also move these points around, and the components of these points will change. So points describe a position. Of course, this position is relative to an origin point, but generally speaking, points don't inherently describe, say, movement. Now, the idea of vectors is that they encode both a magnitude and a direction, and you can think of that as the difference between 2 points. Whereas points represent position, if we instead consider how to get from this position to that position, that becomes more of what a vector will represent. As we already represent points with, well, points, we represent vectors here by arrows, conveying the idea of motion, of starting at one place and ending at another. For example, 3, 2 represents the motion
Stop recording.